I'm at my friend's house right now, and I just took her dog in the shed. Hey, Jocelyn. I just took her dog in the shed, and it's a Chihuahua puppy.
What?
Come on, let's go. Get out of my headphones. She's like the size of my hand.
So cute.
Her name is Twixie. Come on, Twixie, let's go inside. Ow! You can barely see her. Look at this. You can
so
barely
dark.
see her. Okay.
I turn on the porch, put back all the lights.
You can turn on the lights?
Hold the lights back there.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna go in the backyard. Okay. She's down there. Jocelyn. Yeah, that's what I was gonna dare you to do. Where is she? She's over there. She's literally right here, but you can barely see her. She's that little patch of white. Okay. Jocelyn's going up on the roof right now. Take my freaking headphones out of my ears. Okay. They live in an RV. Was that you? Jocelyn, was that you? Hi. Twixie. They live in an RV so they can go on their roof. What? Okay, let me grab Twixie real quick. They have another dog. She's like a terrier mix. Yeah, I think she's Jack Russell something. You can see her. I don't think you can see her on the camera, but you can see her. She's twerking right now. Okay. I'm gonna go on the road. Hey, Jocelyn, I'm gonna go on the road with Twixie, but I'm gonna keep an eye on her. Is there a car coming? Yeah? She's right there on the edge. Has she ever been on the road?
Her?
Yeah.
Has she ever been on the road?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We just don't put her up there.
There's like street lights everywhere,
It's usually...
but you can barely see her. Yo, the clouds are pink. It's like cotton candy colored pink and blue. Someone's setting off fireworks. But can you see that? It's like pink and blue. Sorry, I have iPhone quality. Hey, Twixie, what are you getting into? How about we go over here? Oh, crap. Is that another dog? Is that a possum? Yo, Jocelyn, come here. Come here, come here. Is that a dog or is that a possum? Shit, there's lightning.
Is that Twixie?
No, that's not Twixie. Twixie's right here.
Is that a dog?
No, I think it's a possum. I thought it was like a coyote puppy at first.
Yeah, it really did not. Oh,
It looked like a coyote puppy at first, though. But I saw like a super freaking long tail. Do you see it? I saw lightning over there.
Yeah, but I don't think it's a dog.
I think either that or
We should
it's
probably go inside.
either that or it's a coyote puppy with a super freaking long tail.
And a
That-
really pointy snout.
Hmm.
I think it's watching us.
I feel like it's watching us.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, I do too. It's over there. Jocelyn, don't try to catch it. It's gonna bite you.
Picking her up.
She thinks you're trying to play. That I thought that was closer. Jocelyn. Jocelyn. Coyotes run up and down my street at night. Come here. I don't trust you. Did you just poop on me? Jocelyn, I think she just pooped on my foot. Yes! No, come. She just did a handstand. Her poop is over there. No, come here.
You think she pooped on your foot?
Yes, I picked her up and then she pooped on my foot.
I seriously don't want to be out here anymore because of possum. Nope, they're just all lightning this whole time.
Jocelyn, her poop is somewhere over here. Or right here, somewhere.
Nope, that's not it.
But she pooped on my foot. Oh, hi, Jasmine.
She's just watching us.
Yeah. Don't run out. Nope. You stand. Yeah.
Oh, you're still recording?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we saw a possum.
Bye.
Over there.